to use Task Manager on Windows 11 to close frozen apps. This tutorial shows you how to force close unresponsive apps using Task Manager. First, press Control, Alt, and Delete at the same time on your keyboard. From there, click on Task Manager to open it. At this point, you can also open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom and clicking on Task Manager directly. From there, you will see a list of all currently running apps and processes on your PC. After that, look for the frozen or unresponsive app in the list. It may show not responding next to its name. In the next step, click on the frozen app to select it. From there, click on End Task at the top right or bottom right of the Task Manager window to force close it. Once done, the frozen app will be closed and you can reopen it normally. Following this, if the app is not visible under the Processes tab, click on More Details at the bottom of Task Manager to expand the full view. From here, scroll through the list and find the frozen app under the Apps or Background Processes section. At this stage, right-click on it and select End Task to force close it from there. Keep in mind, force closing an app through Task Manager will close it without saving any unsaved work, so make sure to save your files regularly to avoid losing data if an app freezes. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Task Manager to close frozen apps on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.